So the question is, which one of the following statements is incorrect about restriction endonucleases? Option A, they serve as primitive form of immune system in bacteria. Option B, they digest the DNA non-randomly. Option C, they digest the DNA at specific location. And option D, they digest the DNA from free ends. So we will have to choose the incorrect one from these options, right? So we will go one by one. First, in the first option, it is stated that they serve as primitive form of immune system in bacteria. That is absolutely true. Yeah, they serve as primitive form of immune system in bacteria because when a foreign DNA invades in the bacteria, then this restriction endonucleases cuts the DNA in specific locations. They digest the DNA non-randomly. That is also true. There are some specific sequences for specific restriction endonucleases, and in those particular regions, the restriction endonucleases cut the DNA. Then option 3, they digest the DNA at specific location. That is also true. For each and every restriction endonuclease, there are some specific sequences. Other than that, they cannot recognize and cannot cut. And here is the last option, they digest the DNA from free ends. That is actually not true because in case of restriction digestion, restriction endonuclease, first they search for a specific sequence. On that particular sequence, they can cut. Okay, so if we consider this as a DNA fragment, then we are treating this DNA fragment with EcoR1, that is a special type of restriction endonuclease. So first, this EcoR1 will search for a specific sequence that is assigned for EcoR1 in that fragment. Suppose it is finding it here. Okay, suppose it is finding it here, then this restriction endonuclease will cut the DNA in this particular region and will in this particular region and not from a random free end, not from here, not from here, not from a random free end. So that is the answer. So the correct answer for this question is they digest the DNA from free end. That is option D. It is incorrect. Actually, this statement is incorrect.